So you see there's a nice living space here. Again, very an open kitchen here. So this is a nice spacious master bedroom of Adarsh. So today I'm standing in front of Adarsh Lumina, a property by Adarsh Group, which is spread across 8+ acres of land. And as you can see right behind me here, you can see is the marketing office of Adarsh Lumina. Before I give you more details about this project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers by directly connecting you with the developer. So if you wish to book your dream home, do not forget to connect with us and you can book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So right now I'm standing in front of Adarsh Lumina. As you can see, this is the neighborhood and the road that connects to the property. Now coming to the project overview, the Adarsh Lumina is spread across a land parcel of 8.76 acres, which is developed by Adarsh Group. And this property comprises of 2 and 3 BHK apartments. This property is located off Sarjapur Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore. Talking about the connectivity, this property is about 10 minutes from Sarjapur Main Road, about 15 minutes from Wipro Kodati, 15 minutes the RGA Tech Park, and about 30 minutes from Bellandur. So Adarsh Lumina boasts of 20+ amenities that includes the clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, etc. Now let me give you a tour of Adarsh Lumina, which is a 3 BHK model flat. As you can see when you enter, you have the foyer area here. This flat is spread across 1,835 square feet. So you see there's a nice living space here. Again, very nicely ventilated and quite spacious. This place can comfortably accommodate a nice 4-seater sofa. So this is the balcony close to the living room. And now adjacent to the living space, you have the dining area, so you can see, which comes here. This dining space will comfortably accommodate a nice 6-seater dining table. Right adjacent to that, you have an open kitchen here with the sink, the area for the stove, and for other appliances. And you can use all the space below for added cabinets and the space above here for added cabinets. And the kitchen also has a nice utility space here, which is again quite spacious and nice. It comfortably accommodates one more sink and enough space for other appliances. Now we move to the first bedroom, which is adjacent to the living room. This bedroom can also be used as a kid's bedroom. It is quite well ventilated and there's a lot of natural light because of these nice large French windows. This space comfortably accommodates a queen size bed and it can also accommodate a nice study table for the kids. And the best part is it has a little walk-in space here where you can use it to add more wardrobes and cabinets as storage space to store the kids' toys and books. And this also has we have an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So this is the first room of the 3 BHK flat of Adarsh Lumina. Now let's have a look at the second room. Now before we go to the second room, there is a common bathroom space here. Again with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. You have the second room here, which is again quite spacious as close to the kids' bedroom. A lot of natural light, a lot of ventilation, comfortably accommodates a queen size bed along with a study table if required. This can be used as a guest bedroom as well. And now we move to the master bedroom. But before I give you more details about the master bedroom, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will give you an actual tour of the model flat. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of visiting of investing in this property. Housey will give you the pricing options available, which includes the EMI and down payments options available. And Housey will also give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the property. So if you like the property so far, do not forget to click on the link below and book a free site visit, and our sales team will be more than happy to help you. Now let's go have a look at the master bedroom. So this is a nice spacious master bedroom of Adarsh Lumina, again with a nice attached balcony that you can see here in the same line as the living space. And now the best part is this room also has a nice walk-in closet area. This will comfortably accommodate about 4 large wardrobes, enough space, or you can add a mirror here and use it as a dressing space. And this room also comes with an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. With a nice shower space. So this is the 3 rooms along with the living space, kitchen and the balcony of Adarsh Lumina. If you like this property so far, do click on the link below and book a free site visit, and our sales team will be more than happy to help you. Or if you want more details about this project, do not forget to click on the link below and download the e-brochure. So if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.